All right, guys, well, you have reached at It's Regina TV. Today is Big Poppa Part 4.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the last.
Guys, you have reached at It's Regina TV, and I have a lot of exciting news to bring to you about Big Poppa Part 4. Yesterday, I went and bought Comeback Curl Next Day Curl Revitalizer, okay? Now, this is one of my favorite products that I used to use with this when I had the texturizer, okay? Now, I'm going to tell you this. I have natural hair. I have combination hair somewhat, And these two here, I'm going to show you the results of what these two did to my hair. Comeback Curl Next Day Curl Revitalizer and Big Poppa. Now I have gotten up and I have sprayed my hair with Comeback Curl Next Day Curl Revitalizer. And I just took some of Big Poppa and I just, worked it in my curls. Worked it in my curls. Now guys, are y'all in the mood for tacos? Are y'all in the mood for tacos? Because I got the ground beef right here. Look at that. Look at that. You see how thin it makes my hair? You see how tight my curls get? And I told y'all a long time ago that my hair balls up really, really tight and look like ground beef and taco meat. And that's the reason why I did the texturizer in the first place, because I don't like how my hair looks when it does that. Okay, now that's just my hair. Am I disappointed with the curls? No, I am not. Even though it looks like ground beef, I am not disappointed with how my hair is curling up, guys. I'm not disappointed with it. I'm just going to fix what I don't like. I'm very glad that it's curling up my hair the way it's curling up my hair. And I am going to fix all that sparseness through here because it makes it look like my hair is thin. It makes it look like just ground beef. So, like I said in the last video, guys, I said, trust yourself. Like I said, some told me to just, start over, try to find a product that was going to make my hair look texturized without actually texturizing it. My hair is shrunk tremendously, but you know what? I'm a rocket. I'm a rocket just as short as it want to go. I am going to fill in where it's sparse at, and I'm going to show you how I am going to do that. But am I happy with the curls? Yes, I am, because I told y'all in the next to the last video, I said I'm gonna stop cutting my hair because my hair is trying to grow, and I am just going to go ahead and let it grow. I'm just not going to let it grow past my, I'm not going to let it grow past my neck here and on my ears. But as far as growing out, I will let it grow out and I will shape it into some type of big curly natural or wherever this journey takes me. But I told you guys, I have been having great success with listening to myself. So, one of the things that I am going to do, my hair is still wet and everything, and it's curling up, guys. It's curling up. One of the things I can do is take a pick and slowly lift it up. So one of the things I can do is I can take a pick. Remember in one of my videos I showed you guys, I said, these are the picks I use to style my hair. I have different picks that helps me style my hair. So one of the things that I can do when it dries up a little more is I can take it and everywhere where it looks sparse at, just lift it up. And you see how that made the hair not look so, you see how that made the hair not look so sparse? I can just lift it up. And that will make the hair not look so sparse there. You see how all of that just went away? Because that's just how tight my curls curl up. I'm going to let all of this down here where I faded it off at. I'm going to let it grow back. Because, guys, we have been doing the healthy hair routine, right? And our hair has been, growing. So that's one way to, do it. But let's say you can't lift your hair up because you have done the big chop. Now, this is excellent. Once again, this is excellent for the big chop. So let me show you the other thing that you can do. Now, guys, the other thing that you can go and do is get a tinted balm, okay? This is like a tinted edger, and it's by Cream of Nature. And wherever you want to fill in the spots, that's sparse and you don't want your scalp to show, it looks like this, okay? It looks like that. Me, I like to apply it with a brush, but you better be careful on how you apply it and the activity that you're going to have for that day. Because if you have it, it'll have a tendency to run depending on how you apply it to your hair and what product you're going to use. So I'm going to put it right here. This is like a white spot. And you see how thick that is? You don't want to look like you got shoe polish on your hair. Now it's going to come in just that thick. Okay? But it's like a greasy texture. It's like a greasy texture. It's an edger. See that? So if you need to, just be mindful of how you apply this through your hair. If you have any spots that you don't want, to look so sparse, I'm going to sit and see what this is going to do. By me lifting that out, it's not as sparse. And my sparseness comes from my hair tightening up so tight. So I got a little bit on this brush. I'm going to try to find a spot back here. Let's see. Y'all, let's try right in here. See how that disappeared? Let's try. I'm going to put some more on. So, guys, I'm going to be y'all test dummy today because I got some stuff I got to do. Now, if this stuff runs on me like Rudy Giuliani, then I'll take the embarrassment. I'm going to take the hit for you guys. Okay, let's try it up in here. Like I say, it's an edger, but it probably has the tendency to run. And that's why I still have it, because I was like, man, can you imagine I put this in my hair and go to the gym and I start sweating and this stuff start, running and stuff. So I ain't going through my head with it, looks like that. I'm just going to, report back to y'all, what's going on. The other thing that I'm going to show you is this. Now, I really don't like using this on a regular because it's alcohol based and you don't want to be putting like the alcohol to your hair and things like that. And it's a spray. Okay. Now, if I want to just touch up like my gray hair, I can do that. But you always have this just to have. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to try to find another sparse area. But like I said, see, my curls is gonna go back like taco meat and be sparse. So let's just try back here. We can try all up in here, but I really don't want to go there with that. I'm only putting this on my hair for you guys, because other than that, I would just, pick. I would just keep lifting up my areas, because that's all it's going to take. And I know that's because my hair balls up really tight. It just balls up really tight. Do I mind that now? Nope, I do not. My hair is growing like crazy. Now, for all you new watchers, you have to go back and see what our daily hair routine, consists of. For all my avid watchers, you know what our healthy daily hair routine is. Now, y'all already know that when I'm going to try a new product for you guys, I try to apply it to rinsed hair. So, with this combination here, this is rinsed hair, okay? This is how, the product is going to act on, completely rinsed hair, not co-washed hair, not washed hair, not scalp buildup, just rinsed hair. That is what that's how I applied this product. So I did not do the daily healthy hair routine this morning because I wanted to see what these two products was going to do on my hair. So out of a scale from 1 to 10, I will give this a 10 because it's doing its job. I mean, yes, I have to go through the day and, lift up my hair because that's just, look at that. You see that? Look at that. That's how much my hair is curling up, but that's not no fault of the product. That's how my hair curls up. It curls up very, very tight and it gets sparse, and it gets sparse. So I'm telling you guys to think it through. You can use this on parts of your hair that you want it to look low if your hair curls up like mine, or if you want that sponge look. You see what it's doing to mine. My hair is like 4C, and I got rough combination through here. And you see what it's doing, especially to the back of my head. But all over, I can expect my hair, to curl up like that. So I'm going to have to, periodically through the day, I am going to have to take the pick. Now, I probably have me some of this as a spritzer. And I just have to pick my hair. I'm just going to have to pick my hair loose because it's going to keep curling up tight. So I'm going to give you guys a spin. All right, guys, I wanted to show you just how much my hair dried up and shrunk while I was, doing my makeup. And y'all know we're on a minimalist wear of makeup. We're taking that away as well. Today we have our eyebrows, lashes, and lip gloss. That's it. So guys, this is what the hair looks like as it's drying. And because I'm not going to be cutting my hair anymore, and I'm going to let it grow out. Well, I ain't going to say I'm not going to be cutting my hair anymore, but because it wants to grow, I told you I'm just going to keep it low around here and around my ears because I don't like it on my neck and on my ears. So I'm just going to let it grow out into a like full natural. So there are things that I have to do with this Big Poppa and Comeback Curl Next Day Curl Revitalizer. I have to see, will it freeze my curls in place if I sit under a cool or warm dryer, hair dryer. I got to see if I, pick it out like this, So it'll close up, the spacing. Will it stay that way instead of me getting out in the street and then my hair balling up like that? I still have to see what my hair is going to do if I try to wear this in a flat pixie. But from a scale from 1 to 10, I will give this a 10. If you're thinking about the big chop, once again, I think that this is perfect for TWA or a big chop. I like how soft my hair is. I don't know how much it's going to dry because it's been on my hair for a minute and I don't think Big Poppa dries up like that. So I would say that my hair is like 85% dry. I mean, because Big Poppa has like a texture to it it's not going to make your hair crunchy or anything like this. Hours later, my hair will still be feeling like it's 85% dry. So as far as these two being together, I still got a ways to go. So, like I said, I'm far from being done with this style. Do I put a part in my hair? Now this is Echo Styling Gel. This is just for, the baby hairs to come around here. I know I'm going to have fun discovering all the things that I can do with this hairstyle, but we still have a long way to go with how we can bang it out. Because this is truly a curly TWA. It's almost like having the big chop without having the big chop. All right, guys, well, that is it. Today we use Comeback Curl Next Day Curl Revitalizer by Cantu, and we use Big Poppa, and it gave us some very tight curls, right? Well, guys, y'all know I can talk to y'all all day long and play in this hair all day long, but I have to get out of here. Guys, you have reached at It's Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Leave in the comment section down below anything that I did not address in this video. You guys are the best. You are the reason why my channel is growing by thumbing up, liking, subscribing, and sharing my videos. That helps this channel out a lot. So guys, until next time, stay blessed, stay safe, love one another, and I'll talk to you later. Mwah. Yes. Yes.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know.